असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Now we shall solve exercise 14.2 problems. Let us start with problem number 1. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. So given ages and number of patients admitted. So 5 to 15 age 6 patients, 15 to 25 age 11 patients, 25 to 35 21 patients, 35 to 45 age 23 patients, 45 to 55 age 14 patients, 55 to 65 age 5 patients admitted in a year. Now find the mode and mean of the data given above. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. Here we have to find the mode and mean, and we have to compare mean and mode here. Right. This is the given data. So these are the class intervals, nothing but ages, and these are frequencies, number of patients. Okay, right. So we have to find class mark and Fi into Xi to find the mean. Okay, so I am going to use here direct method to find the mean. Right. Let us find first mean here. So in direct method, what is the formula? X bar is nothing but mean sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. So now find the class mark first. So generally how we find the class marks? Lower limit place upper limit by 2. So Xi is equals to lower limit place upper limit by 2. So look at first one. 5 plus 15. 5 plus 15 by 2, nothing but 20 by 2, 10 it is. 2 ones are 2 tens are. First one is 10. 15 plus 25. Second one, 15 plus 25 by 2, nothing but 30, 40 by 2. So nothing but 20. So here it is 20. Next 25 to 35. 25 plus 35 by 2, nothing but 60 by 2. 2 ones are 2 30s are. So here it is 30. 35 plus 45 by 2, 70, 80 by 2, 2 ones are 240. Okay, here it is 40. Next 45 to 50 by 2. So 90, 100 by 2, 2 ones are 250s. Okay, here it is 50. So 55 plus 65 by 2, nothing but 110, 120 by 2, 2 ones are 260s. Okay, here it is 60. Now we got class marks here. We have to find the Fi into Xi. Okay, right. These are the Fi's and these are Xi's. So 6 into 10, it is 60. 11 into 20, nothing but 220. 21 into 3, 30. 21 into 30. So 21 3s are 63. It means 630 it is. Next 23 into 40. So 23 into 40, 0, 0, 4 3s are 12, 4 to the 8, 9. So here it is 920. Is it 920? 23, 23, 46, 46, 46, 92. Okay, right. So 920 it is. Next 14 5s. How much 14 5s? Wait. Right. So 23 40s are 920. Now 14 into 50. So 14 5s 70, it means 700 it is. Okay. Next 5 into 60. So 5 6 30, 300 is okay. Now we have to find the sigma Fi xi. It means we have to add all these Fi xi values here. Okay. Right. Let us add. So 0 0 0 0 0 here and 2 3 5 7 7 plus 6 13 3 here 1 carry 10 1 plus 9 10 20 20 plus this 8 28. So sigma Fi xi we got 2830, and this one we have to find sigma Fi value. So we have to add these frequencies 6 plus 1 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 15 plus 5 20 0 here 2 carry 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 is the sigma Fi. Now we have to substitute the values in the formula. Okay. So we are finding here mean by using direct method. Okay. So 2830 by 80. 0 0 gets cancelled. Now is there any possibility to cancel here 283? No. So we have to perform division directly. So take 8 283. So 8 3s or 8 30s. 835 is here. So 5 3s sir 5 8s 40. 40 as it is. 3 8s 24. So 280. So 8 35s 280. 3 is the remaining. Take a point here. Take point here. 8 3s 24. Okay. 6 remainder. Take 0 again. 8 7s 56. 4 remainder. Take 0. 8 5s 40. Remainder 0. Okay. Now what is the x bar? It is nothing but mean 35.375. Okay. This is the mean here. Okay. Remember the value 35.375. So I am writing here x bar we got 35.375. Okay. Right. Now we have to find the mode. What is the formula for mode? So mode is nothing but L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So already we have seen the formula. So what are the terms are here? So H is nothing but model class size. F1 is nothing but frequency of model class. F0 is frequency of preceding class of the model class, and F2 is frequency of model class succeeding class. Okay. L is nothing but model class lower boundary. Already we have seen this in the earlier video, right? So now highest frequency, which one? 23 is the highest frequency, and now this is called the model class. Okay. Now model class is 35 to 45. Now what is the L value? L value is 35. Okay. Right. Now what is the H value? Nothing but model class size. It is 10. Okay. What is the F1 now? Nothing but model class frequency. It is this. This is F1. F1 is 23. Now F0. So preceding of the model class frequency. Okay. This is the model class. The preceding class is this, and the frequency is 21. This is our F0. It is 21, and F2 succeeding of the model class. This one is the succeeding class of the model class, and the frequency is 14 here. So F2 is 14. Now we have to substitute these values into formula. Okay, right, substitute here. L nothing but 35 plus F1, 23 minus F0, 21 by 2 F1, 2 into F1 value 23 minus F0, 21 minus F2, 14 into 10. Simplify this. 35 plus 23 minus 21, 2 by 23 into 2, 46 minus 21, 24, 30, 35. 35 into 10. Okay, so I am going to erase here. Now mode is equals to 35 plus 2 by, it is 11 into 10. So 35 plus 20 by 11. We have to divide 11, so 20 by 11. Okay. So take the division here. 11 ones are 11, 9 is remaining. Take a point here. 11 8s are 88. Take 2, remainder as 2, and take 0 here. 11 ones are 11. Again 9 remainder. It will be continuous like that. Okay. So what is the repeating term here? 35 plus 1.81, 81, 81 repeated. Okay. So this we can write 35 plus, is it 35 more? Yes. Okay. 1.82 we can write. Okay. I am rounding this decimal. Okay. Now this is nothing but 36.82 we can write. Okay. Right. Now we got mode as 36.82. So mode is 36.82. Now we have to compare here mode and mean. Okay, I am going to erase this. So what we can say now here? So mode is 36.82 years and mean is 35.375 years. Okay. So here the mode is greater than mean here. Okay. So the mode age is, it means mode is greater than mean, and what we can write here? So the maximum of the patients admitted in the hospital during such a year of age 36.82 age people will admitted in the year mostly. Okay. So the maximum patients admitted in the hospital are of age 36.82 years. Okay, these age people will admitted mostly here. Okay, and what about mean? The average age is 35.375 admitted, already it is over, admitted in during that year. Okay, 35.375 years. This is about mean and mode for the first problem, 14.2 exercise. Okay.